What are the advantages of consuming protein powder? Adding protein powder to your diet is a common practice. Protein contributes in the formation and repair of muscle tissue, as well as the generation of enzymes and hormones as a vital macronutrient. Weight reduction and muscular toning may also be achieved by consuming protein powders. Here are the top 5 health advantages of protein powder. Before that, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like and share. Please support us through subscribing this channel. Number 1. Weight management. Protein-rich diets and supplementation may prolong satiety in certain persons. It is easier to maintain a healthy weight or lose weight when you eat smaller portions, and eat less often when you are satisfied after a meal. People who are overweight or obese may benefit from using whey protein supplements, according to a study published in 2017. Other risk factors for cardiovascular disease may also be reduced by using this supplement. Number 2. Muscle growth. To build muscle, you need protein. Muscle gain following strength training is a common motivation for athletes and gym goers to eat protein smoothies. Supplementing with protein may help with weight loss, according to a review of 48 research published in 2018. In healthy people who engage in resistance training, such as lifting weights, protein supplements seem to have a considerable impact on muscle growth and strength. It was equally beneficial for men and women to take protein supplements. As individuals age, the efficacy of this supplement may diminish since older people's protein needs are greater than those of younger ones. Number 3. Recuperation after a workout. Besides aiding in muscle development, protein aids in the repair and regeneration of damaged tissues and muscle. Protein powder may be used to speed up muscle pain recovery after a workout. It has been shown in several studies that supplementing with protein after exercise helps the body's recovery process by lessening muscle damage and increasing protein synthesis in the muscles. Number 4. Nutritional value is boosted. Protein powder might be a healthy option for those who find it difficult to satisfy their daily protein needs via their food. Protein consumption may need to be increased for some individuals, such as athletes, weight lifters, the elderly, and those with chronic illnesses. Protein intakes ranging from 1.4 to 2.0 g per kg of body weight have been shown to be beneficial for athletes who engage in high-intensity training. Number 5. Stimulates the immunological system. Daily use of a high-quality protein powder has been shown to improve immune system performance. If you've been unwell or injured, it's the perfect complement to help you recuperate. As a result, wounds or other diseases may be healed more quickly. Proteins are an essential part of every diet, regardless of your long-term health objectives. It's no secret that those who engage in physical activity, such as participating in sports or lifting weights, will get the benefits of a protein-rich diet. I wish you liked my video. If yes, please don't forget to turn on the bell icon, so you don't miss out any upcoming videos.